Hello, this is Davor from Derokki, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your client-first site to RTLflow. So let's say you've already started a project and you've done it in English language, and now you realize you want to add Arabic as an RTL language. So what you want to do is the following. This is a project with the Styleguide of Relum. It's a client-first project. And as you can see, you have two pages here. You have the normal page, and you may have already built other pages, and you have a style guide. This is the style guide you can see here. And what you want to do is you want to clone the RTLflow 2.0 style guide, and you want to go and you want to replicate this page, the RTLflow elements page. So again, go into your current project. Gonna add a page. We're gonna call it RTLflow elements. Gonna put it to draft. Right. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy this page here. So I'm gonna copy the RF page wrapper. I'm gonna add it into the other projects. So as you can see, components will be unlinked. So what you will get is this global styles RTLflow component. So as you can see, this is essentially, it adds the custom code elements from RTLflow. It's these four. And the fifth one is CF global styles. This is essentially your current global style. So if you check out here, essentially this global styles code, this is the basic client first code, which is untouched. So what you want to do is, when you go back to the RTLflow elements page, you want to make sure that this global style is updated based on the client first embed that you currently have. And then this is going to be your new component, global styles RTLflow, like this. So you update it that way. And that is essentially it. And now you're going to use this component on your normal pages. So you're going to go in here, you're going to have it like this. The code that you have in here, just copy that, copy whatever you have right now here, go into RTLflow, into CF global styles, and just paste it in. There you go. As you can see, there isn't any big difference except for some of the stuff that has been updated in the meantime with the Relum style guide that I haven't added into RTLflow 2.0. And so if in the future you want, to do the same thing and maybe RTLflow, the RTLflow style isn't updated yet, you can kind of do the update yourself. So you just take the Relum style guide and you add the stuff from RTLflow 2.0. And so now you have the RTLflow elements page. You have all the styles that you need. And you also have the codes here. You have the RF global styles. So it all works automatic. And this is essentially how you can add RTLflow to your current client first project. Works the same with the FinSuite style guide. And yeah, this was a quick answer to a comment I got right about today. And so I want to make this quick video to show you how it's done. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, comment below or send me an email. My website is derokki.dev. I built RTL Webflow sites. I do Webflow development for very large clients. So I do big projects. If you need any advice here, I'm there. So thank you a lot, and see you in the next video. Peace.